Hi there, it's Dr. Dave, and I'm back again, this time for the second chapter of the semester. I think one of the biggest challenges you'll find in the chapter on the biology of psychology is just that there are a lot of terms and concepts to memorize. It's not so much that they're difficult, but there's a lot of brain parts and things like that that you have to commit to memory. Anyway, I think one of the tougher parts of the chapter is when they start talking about the peripheral nervous system. Let me back up a quick second. We talk about the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. The central nervous system is simply the brain and the spinal cord. Their job is to make sense of all the information we get and help us make decisions about how to respond to it. Peripheral nervous system pretty much does everything else. It collects information, so it's our five senses, and then it carries out the activities that the brain and spinal cord tell it to do. So the brain decides that I should run, that's the central nervous system, and then I start running. That's the peripheral nervous system. Further, we divide up the peripheral nervous system into two parts. There's the autonomic nervous system, and there's also the somatic nervous system. The somatic nervous system basically is in charge of voluntary movements. Autonomic, like automatic, kind of explains what it's doing. Those are the things that happen all the time automatically, like digesting food, blinking every few seconds, sending blood throughout your body, and so on. We further divide up the autonomic nervous system into two parts, sympathetic and parasympathetic. Most of the time, it's the parasympathetic nervous system that is in control. Its job is to save up energy for those times when we really, truly need it. So when we're sitting and watching TV, when we are sleeping, it's the parasympathetic that's in charge. The sympathetic nervous system is sometimes called fight or flight. Its job is to give us more energy at those times that we really need it, like if we're under attack or fighting off a cold or taking a big test. I hope that helped. See you next time.